Hey, my name is Dan Martin, and thank you for taking time to watch this presentation on how to better help your students. I worked in the public schools teaching chemistry for 20 years, and before that, I was an agricultural researcher for 14 years. And one of the things I love most about my career in research was helping high school age kids, mentoring them and teaching them, and also helping our college age interns mature and develop as scientists. And during my teaching career, I worked very hard to make sure that my kids had a great chemistry background. And I found it to become more and more difficult as time went on. Kids were coming into my class in the middle of the school year, or they missed a lot because of field trips or illnesses. And so what I did was I made a series of screencasts for them to use to get caught up when they had to be gone, or to catch up if they entered the class late. And they were kind of rather crude videos. They weren't the best quality, but my kids found them to be extremely helpful. And so when I retired, I thought, what better way of serving the education community than to make a series of polished videos that students and teachers could use to help them in their studies. I think that these will be also a valuable asset, not only to help people get caught up when they miss, but also a tutoring tool. A lot of times my kids found that it was really hard to find a tutor that their schedule matched with. And a lot of times they would be playing ball after school or cheerleading practice, or had other activities and things that limited their ability to get help. And so these videos, the beauty of them is you can sit and watch the videos and pause them and take notes. And you can also rewind parts that you find difficult. And I think that your students will find them extremely beneficial. The other thing is I've also put together some study questions for each unit and also an exam. There are 10 units that are the ones that typically are taught at the high school level. Each unit has a number of screencasts that are in the YouTube format, and each one of them has timestamps on the video, so kids can go through and find the exact subject matter that they're having trouble with or need to get caught up on. So in the bottom of this email, I will have a link to the YouTube channel that will have a free lesson and some ancillary materials attached to that as well. And on that YouTube channel, you also have a link to Podia where you can go and purchase additional materials. Now, each individual unit has a price, and it's based on the number of videos in the unit. But if you buy all the units, I'll have a bundle on Podia where you can buy all the units at a discounted price. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. I hope you'll find these materials beneficial to you and your students. Thank you.